Martinez to take it. And he makes it!
This could be a game. Joseph, for 29 from the spot. Joseph Martinez into the back of the net.
He hit the post earlier. He'll have a chance here to go for 31. And he has it.
It's Joseph Martinez. It's there! Martinez steps up and scores. Atlanta United have the lead.
And Atlanta strikes first here at Chester. Joseph Martinez with his league-high 18th goal, 1-0 Atlanta.